Hello everybody and welcome to this quick modeling tutorial in which I'm going to show you how we can build a floor lamp like this in Shapr3D just by using very basic sketches and modeling commands. So for example, the base is an extrude with a draft, the pipe is a sweep command, and the lampshade is a revolve command with a pattern detail right there. And then we will finish everything with a nice setup for materials. Pretty cool and easy. Okay, let's do it. In our starter file, we'll make sure snapping is all turned on. We are in inches. We go to the top view. The base is the easiest one. So let's go with a sketch, and we would like to use the rectangle from the center, and from the origin I draw a rectangle 10 inches, tab 5 inches. That's it. Exit. And then I can go to a 3D view, select the sketch profile, extrude this one up by around 12 inches, and then we add a draft of 5 inches. Pretty cool. Okay, well, this should be stone. These are all very sharp edges. So let's select everything, and then we give this a nice, very tiny edge rounding. There we are. So base is nearly done. Then let's do the pipe. We go to a front view, go to sketch, and from the origin, I draw a line straight up, 52 inches. And to make sure it doesn't rotate, I select the line and give this a vertical horizontal constraint. To do the arc, well, we use the arc command. Flop, there we are. Escape, escape. Select the arc and the line. Let's make this tangent. No, actually the arc flows nicely into this line. This arc we can set to 8 inches for the radius. And then here the opening, let's say 150 degrees. Pretty cool. You know, we can imagine if somebody sits there, no, is this too small? So for example, if we would say 4 inches, yeah, that looks kind of too tiny. If we make this 30 inches, maybe the light might tip over. So we can play with these values. Okay, very good. Nice. I can go exit sketch and I will do the following. I can select this line, click exit, and then I will add a curve, a construction plane to this line. Where we position this doesn't matter. For visibility purpose, I go to the top. On that construction plane, which by the way, we can make also a little bit smaller, so it's not so big, we are going to add a new sketch there. And you see there is the center point where it intersects with the line. Let's draw a circle 3/4 of an inch. And then with this circular profile, we're going to create our pipe. There we are. By the way, because that is a pipe, we can now actually select the base, select the pipe, and remove the pipe from the base, but we want to keep the base actually and the pipe. There, now we can look through. Pretty easy. At this point, actually, point 1, now we can open this a little bit. There, so it's nicely finished. Good. I'm going to select all the sketch elements, put them into a folder, select all the bodies, put them in a folder so I can hide the sketches easily. The construction plane I don't need anymore. Sketch 1, that's the base. I might not need 3. We don't need 2. We're going to add it because now we can think about the lampshade. Let's make a circle somewhere. This circle I would like to be glued onto this endpoint of this line. So there we can select circle, point, coincident constraint. And now I can, as you see, rotate this around. this should be a 10-inch radius. That's good. Then to build this lampshade, I'm going to draw two vertical lines and then here one horizontal line. So these lines are horizontal vertically constrained. Very good. And now you can see I can still move this around a little bit. And we can specify, for example, what's the distance here? 2 inches. Okay, that then specifies the width and the length of this line. We can also draw, for example, here a line and say that's a construction line and make this 45 degrees. And there you can see how with this we can specify where this, for example, should be. Okay, very good. Let's go to 40 maybe. Yeah, there we are. If the pipe, by the way, should be tangent to this circle, then actually this degree we can, nope, not the circle, this degree thing we can remove. Which, oh, interesting, I can't. Okay, when in doubt, throw it out and just redo it. So I just drew this line, construction, and now the trick is the line and this arc are going to be tangent. There. Okay, so now you can see that this arc is ending perpendicular to that circle. Pretty cool. If we, let's say, go 140, you see how we are changing this a little bit. And this condition, how the pipe ends to the circle, always remains the same. Pretty nice. 145. That's good. Okay, enough of the shenanigans. So we have the half profile for our light body. Select an axis, and then we can do a revolve command. This is actually kind of like closed logically, so we can select the inside, and then we say shell this one. Let's say by 0.125. It doesn't really matter how much right now. And then this we could divide 0.125 divided by 2. I said divided, I meant round. And now we have basically a full round. So that's nice and comfortable to touch. Okay, beautiful. The circle here, or not the circle, the circular cap of the pipe is not touching the body. We can extend this a little bit till we don't see these edges and it's not inside. Let's say you have a little bit of a shaky hand and then it sticks through. Yeah, that's okay. I would like to show you something. We can select both here and do a union. And then we can select the stump, press delete, and clean this up. Gone. And if we want, we could, for example, round this to make this look kind of like a little bit retro or whatever. Okay, very good. So, well, we also need a light body. We can put this into the same sketch we had here before. There is my circle. I can draw this one to here. There we are. And yep, I have all these profiles because I have vertical lines. Very good. Along this axis, do a revolve. And there looks like now we have like a spherical light emitting body. How do we do the openings on top? So kind of like we have these nice looking air vents. Here we are going to select this line and exit, and then we do again here this plane add a line, go to the top, then on this construction plane we're going to create a sketch. Okay, the next thing is actually pretty easy. I'm going to make a circle, another circle, and a bigger circle. I'd like to show you a little trick here. So from the center, click on there. From here, click to there. And then I say U to U tangent, U to U tangent. And hey, U to U tangent. Same there. And you notice actually we are forcing the circles into this cone. So this way I make sure wherever that circle is, it sure, grows accordingly. It's one very easy way to draft this. Okay, very good. To make sure everything is nice and kind of like not rotated, I draw the center line, make this a construction and horizontal vertical. So now this only can grow, but not go left and right anymore. Okay, so then this one looks really big. 0.4, and you see everything else gets smaller automatically. And we can adjust all this, bring this one down, let's say like this. Okay, fine tune everything later. I'm going to hide this folder, and then all you go in there too. You go in there, you go in there. This construction plane I don't want to see. And then these two I extrude down like this. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Then here we start. We will create a circular pattern along this line. 360 degrees. Let's say, can we do 10? Okay, 10. Good. Then we can select this one, circular pattern, and 360 degrees there. If we do 10, yeah, oh, actually we can do more. 12 or 14. Now you see we can actually close that space more. Very good. There's the biggest one and circular pattern there. Whoop. 20. Yeah, that's actually quite a lot. Good. Okay, so the sketches we can hide, the body we can show, and then we can say from you, the 3 folders with the patterns, please subtract. And there we are. See, that's actually how easy it is to create something like this. So based on the how many points or how many the count, we can make things line up. Or for example, then here we create a different type of a pattern. Okay, well, I would say actually that's nearly it. Let's go to materials. There we are. The base is going to be made out of stone. So let's go to stone. And here we can select the marble. Thank you. Let's go to metal. There is no bronze, or not bronze, but there's no brass. So let's use here the brushed gold. There we are. The inside, let's assume is actually coated, so it's more reflective. Can go with plastic, ABS, and make this white. And then the sphere to be light emitting. We go to utilities and say here, it's an emissive material. Maybe orange, so it's nice and warm. Sure. And that is everything to set up kind of like a lamp with a light emitting sphere inside. That's it. Easy peasy.